right, so now if you want to make money on Clickbank, obviously the first thing to do is to open your Clickbank account. So that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna go on clickbank.com, and all you have to do is to click on sign up. It's totally free. So all you have to do is to put your information in the form, choose a password, accept the term and condition, and then click on join Clickbank. That's it. So now, once your account is opened, we are going to log in into our new Clickbank account. Okay, now we're on our new Clickbank account. Obviously, you won't have these numbers on your new Clickbank account. It's most likely will be all zeros, but don't worry about this, because if you follow my videos, you'll make money on Clickbank. So basically, you'll have your daily sales here, your daily, your weekly sales on the top. And then on this part, once you starting making sales, you are going to have some suggestion from Clickbank telling you, based on what you have sold, what you should promote. All right. Now, next thing, we are going to set up our payment, because now we are making sales and we want to get paid. Basically, on Clickbank, you can get paid every week. So if you go on the payment section, you click on edit, then you select a payment threshold, which tells Clickbank how much money you want to make until you get paid. So you can select from $10 up until $1 million. So obviously, if you are waiting to get $1 million to get paid, you are making a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot of money. It's not my case yet. So basically, for me, every penny I'm making on Clickbank, I want to get paid for. So you can choose to be paid by check or direct deposit. It's up to you. You can be paid every week or every 2 weeks. So you fill the information right there, and that's it. So another cool thing that you can do is to set up a way to be notified every time you are making a sale on Clickbank. But this method only works if you have a self-hosted website. So to do this, you're going to go on vendor settings, on my sites, and then on advanced tool. Okay, you are going to click on edit. Okay, mine is already set up, but for example, if it wasn't set up correctly, I would test the email notification. So I'm going to test it and hold on and wait to hear what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna test it right now. Oh, sorry. Okay, now we are going to test it right now. Do you hear that? That's so cool, because I remember when I wasn't making sales, I wanted to know every time I'm generating any commission on Clickbank. So I didn't want to have to log in each and every time to know, did I make a sale? Did I make a sale? did I make a sale? So I've set up this cool thing. Every time I generate a sale, I have an email telling me exactly what I've sold, and I set up this cool ringtone for this specific email. So this really money making machine ringing every time I'm making a sale. Sometimes I'm outside, I'm doing something, and this ringtones is ringing on my phone, and I know what it is, and I'm so happy. Everything I was doing, suddenly everything, the world is the most beautiful world. So that's a beautiful thing. If you want to know how to do that on your account, I have a script for it, but only if I have enough comment and views on that video. So share this video, comment below, and basically that's it. Now we have our ClickBank account set up. All we have to do now is to start promoting products, but we have to know which one to promote. So that's the next video on that series, how to choose the best product to promote on ClickBank. So I hope, guys, that you find value on this video, and please hit that notification bell so you won't miss once I upload the new video on that series. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and see you on the next video.